What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. Everyone needs a good webcam these days. We're in the middle of a pandemic. Video conferencing from home, video calling friends from afar, and the built-in laptop cameras just don't cut it. Even on MacBook Pros, built-in webcams might only be 720p. It's going to be hard to make a good impression on a bad camera where you're looking all fuzzy compared to everyone else. You need to upgrade, especially if you're using Zoom for work, Twitch for gaming, recording for YouTube, etc. I've got an awesome webcam for you right here, the Full HD TROPRO 1080p webcam. Let's open the box. Okay, this is everything you get. An instruction manual. Nice and thin instruction manual. That's how you know it's easy to use. All right, a mini tripod. That's a great touch, a mini tripod. And of course, the TROPRO 1080p webcam itself, all right? This is a 30 FPS webcam. This one gives you wide angle capability up to 110 degrees. That's what I call a wide shot, baby. Let me show you, there's this privacy cover. All right, so they do include a privacy cover. That is very, very good. This webcam has facial enhancement technology to automatically optimize your image. It boasts a built-in stereo and noise-canceling microphone, eliminating unwanted noise, capturing sound within about 5 meters or 15 feet. That's a great range, right? This is perfect for a conferencing experience or streaming to your many, many fans. It's super easy to set up. No drivers, no downloads. Just use this versatile clip to easily secure it onto any laptop screen or TV or monitor. Notice there's also a thin layer of soft padding on the clip here. That's going to keep your devices from getting scratched. Very, very good. You can also mount it on your desk with the mini tripod that's included. So if you're working with a desktop computer or if you don't want something attached to your laptop screen, TROPRO has you covered. And just another comment, I did mention that privacy cover. Okay, that's obviously for when you're not using the webcam. They can't see you when it's like this. But you know, for extra security and extra safety, when you don't have a video camera streaming application engaged, you can use the privacy cover just for that extra protection. Okay, right now I'm going to plug in with the USB cord and we are going to take a look. All right, so I have plugged it in. Let's take a look. Hello. This was so easy. All I did was plug in the USB, no drivers, no downloads. Let's take a look over here. Whoops, I'm doing too many things. Here we go. Okay, hello, there we are. It is just that easy. No drivers, no downloads. All right, just plug it in and you're good to go. It's compatible with Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7, XP, Linux. It's good for Skype, streaming, teleconference, and video chat. All right, they give you so many options in such a tiny package at such an affordable price. What's going on with these companies? It's like a total giveaway. We need good webcams these days, all right? We need high definition, 1080p. We need it to be easy to use. Also, you've got that privacy screen, so if you don't have the camera application booted up, bam, no one can see what's going on, right? So get yourself a true, safe, full HD 1080p webcam. Okay, we need to better prepare ourselves for the quickly evolving digital world. Help yourself create those income streams working from home on YouTube, Twitch, video conferencing, etc. Higher quality video, higher quality sound will get you there. This webcam is truly great. My dear Eggheads, the TROPRO 1080p Full HD webcam. For specific prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know. What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. I've got a gaming chair right here that's great for either gamers or office workers. This one definitely is worth your time. The Dowinx gaming chair. Let's get into it. All right, it comes with this user guide and a fancy envelope. Makes us feel like we're being invited into an exclusive party, which is really, really cool. The guide makes installation a breeze. It'll probably take you just 25 minutes max to put together. I've done that for you already, so as to not waste your time. I'm just gonna put the envelope right there for my own convenience. What you'll notice first here is the incredible look. They had some quality control here. There is not one loose stitch in the fabric. This thing looks good. And check out the ergonomic design. Its winged back provides multi-point body contact to evenly distribute pressure, saving your spine and lumbar from unnecessary pain. Really sturdy construction and eco-friendly materials here. It boasts an alloy frame covered in quality hand-stitched PU leather, that's polyurethane leather, completely artificial, which means it's vegan, saving the planet. The seat has 5 inches of high-density foam, making it really comfortable for your caboose. The seating area dimensions are 20 inches by 21 inches. The backrest is 36 inches tall and 23 inches wide. And under the seat, there's an upgraded LANT gas cylinder, not only adding lifetime to the chair, but also letting you adjust the height 3 full inches. All right, here I am, descending 3 inches. Boo! Very, very easy. I'm gonna pull that up. All right, once you're in the chair, you'll also enjoy 360 degrees swivel capability and super smooth racing caster wheels for mobility. Recline from 90 degrees all the way back to 180 for working, gaming, reading, napping, or streaming movies on the ceiling. The world is your oyster. When you're locked in at a certain angle, you still get 20 degrees or so of controllable rocking as well. See that? That is really nice. There's a retractable footrest for even more relaxation. Let me pull that out and demonstrate. That is nice. When I adjust the back, the armrests move with the back as well. That's a nice little detail to know. It supports up to 350 pounds of weight, so this thing can really manage all shapes and sizes. Dowinx isn't leaving anyone behind. And of course, this wouldn't be the Dowinx massage gaming chair without the massage function. All right, connect via USB to a port on your computer, power switch, or power bank. Check this out, the cord is right here. I've got my own little USB power bank. Check that out. Enjoy the massage function built into the lumbar support cushion. They are really upping the game for gaming chairs. This model is a great way to stay comfortable all day. Stretch out if you need to relax in the middle of a tough day. Make any time you're using your computer, PC, laptop, Xbox, or PlayStation more enjoyable. Do everything strain-free while maintaining ergonomic support. And that's all, Eggheads! This gaming chair would perform well for work or leisure. It's got a great handmade feel, all PU leather, wonderful ergonomic support, so much freedom to adjust the seat height, backrest angle, rocking angle, the footrest, swivel, the Dowinx massage gaming chair. Let us know what you think of it in the comments and reviews. For specific pricing, please check the description or click that link below. Thanks so much for your time. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.
If you're on the prowl for a back-to-school laptop or you're just ready to ditch your clunky old office laptop in favor of something newer, faster, and lighter, stay tuned. I'm James and welcome back to Newegg Now. Today we have the KUU A8S 15.6-inch laptop. It's thin, light, and affordable. But does it have what you're looking for? Let's dive right into the specs. So first off in the box we have a user manual here, we have a power adapter, and of course the 15.6-inch laptop. So to start with appearances, the body is made from a durable, high-quality plastic material. It looks like metal, but it's lighter, which is ideal for portability. Speaking of portability, the laptop size is 14.76 inches by 9.65 inches by 0.87 inches, and it weighs about 3.88 pounds. So at just under 4 pounds, it's not extremely light, but it's easily light enough for taking with you in a backpack or school bag. Now let's look at the monitor. Its 15.6-inch FHD screen offers a wide image that remains nice and clear even in outdoor light. It also features a night mode and color settings that can help reduce eye strain. Finally, the most important part is the hardware inside. Of course, it's running an Intel Celeron processor J3 455, 4 cores, 4 threads with 2 megs cache, up to 2.3 gigahertz. Its built-in Intel HD Graphics 500 graphics card ensures faster image processing. So this is an entry-level CPU. You're not going to do complex work like this. You're not going to be editing or rendering out 4K videos on this particular machine. But it does excel as a school or office companion or a handy laptop for web browsing and watching videos around the home. If that's what you're looking for, I think it's a great option for you. It also comes loaded with 6 gigs of DDR3 RAM, which is plenty for routine apps, and a 256 gig SATA SSD. Of course, that SSD is going to allow you to boot up faster and seamlessly run multiple applications simultaneously. Power-wise, we're looking at a 38 watt-hour lithium polymer battery. It's good for about 8 hours on a full charge. Of course, it depends on how you use it. Okay, let's have a look at the ports. On the left side of the laptop, you're going to have a USB 3.0 port. You also have a micro HDMI, and there you have your charging port as well. On the other side, on the right side of the laptop, we have another USB 3.0. We also have a slot for a TF card, also known as a micro SD card, and an Ethernet port along with your HD audio port. So the KUU A8S 15.6-inch laptop is not some souped-up world beater of a laptop, but it is a very decent and affordably priced workhorse you can take with you pretty much anywhere. For the full specs list and order info, check out the product link in the description below. For more laptops, cooling fans, gaming accessories, and other great gadgets, head over to Newegg.com for more cool deals. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, I'm James, and welcome back to Newegg Now. 2020 saw the wireless earbud become ubiquitous, and while Apple has led the way in the premium sector, there are plenty of really great options becoming increasingly more affordable. Today, we'll be looking at an offering from a trusted tech giant with the Lenovo X9 TWS Earbuds. First off, TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. So along with a totally cable-free experience, users also have the flexibility of using either the left or the right earbud individually to stay aware of their surroundings. The earbuds connect with Bluetooth 5.0. That's the most advanced Bluetooth technology on the market, enabling a much faster connection speed, faster transmission speed, and more stable connectivity without signal loss or music dropouts. So there's a built-in microphone in each earbud, which gives you clearer and more lifelike voice capture. I'm just going to put these on, and I've paired them with my cell phone. And we're going to give you a listen to the quality of the voice capture. The earbuds also feature intelligent noise reduction. It's a lifesaver in noisy areas. One-step pairing makes them a cinch to use. The earbuds will automatically connect to each other once you take them out of the case. You just click the X9 option in your phone's Bluetooth list and they'll sync up within about 5 seconds. The touch control feature is great. It's easy to control music and manage phone calls without using physical button that can cause pressure on your ears. In terms of range, they maintain a strong connection up to 10 meters in obstacle-free environments. Finally, they come with a charging case, which provides about 20 hours usage on a single full charge. That's our look at the Lenovo X9 TWS earbuds. While they may not provide the same sound or mic quality as the Apple AirPods, I think they're a very good alternative for a much more affordable price. Check them out, see what you think. Hit the product link in the description below. For cooling fans, laptops, power supplies, gaming accessories, and other great gadgets, head on over to Newegg.com for more great deals. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi guys, this is Tom from Newegg Now. So if you're building your own computer, you're probably going to get some fans, which ideally meet 3 requirements. 1. Aesthetic badassery. 2. Silent operation. And 3. Kindness to your wallet. Now, easily meeting all 3 of these standards is the mined and air-blowing aigo AR12 RGB Case Fan Kit. Alright, so open it up and you'll see the fan hub right here. You get the handy manual, the remote control, easy to use, and our screws and cables. Now, this fan talks a good talk. Apparently, this unique fan blade design allows it to be quiet and very powerful. In fact, the airflow can apparently reach 48 CFM at 1200 RPM. But can these guys actually walk the walk? Let's find out. So I'm going to put these guys through a couple of quick tests just to look at the airflow and the fan noise you can expect to experience in daily use. We've got great airflow and it is indeed very, very quiet, officially topping out at 24 decibels, and I can believe it. And it manages to pull this off because you have, if you look at the center here, have this hydro bearing with anti-shock pads on both sides of the AR series PC case fans. What this does is it reduces any of that annoying resonance, so it keeps your fans nice and quiet, and most importantly, keeps your mind focused on the task or the game or whatever you're up to. But it's in the lighting department that this guy excels. So for any of you out there who have a motherboard with RGB function, these colourful little dudes can actually synchronize with the light of your motherboard, which just looks very satisfying. It's compatible with motherboards like ASUS, Gigabyte, MSI, anything like that. But don't worry, if your motherboard doesn't have that sync option, you can just use the remote and you can change the brightness, the mode, the speed, the colour. There you go, these guys are quiet, powerful, and I have to say, given their very decent price tag, I was very pleasantly surprised with the quality that they have. And if you guys want to give these guys a go, just click the link below. I'm Tom with Newegg Now, and I'll see you next time.